I'm sure you've looked at so many different projects where you've said, hey, no deal, right? Before you got to these and you said deal. What do you feel like has been the main difference? Has there been anything where, it looked on good on paper, but you ultimately chose to walk away? I really want to understand, how you make those decisions.
Yeah, so when I look at a piece of property or piece of land, there's certain things that I'm looking for. Are there streams on the property? Is it a development overlay? A development overlay is basically uh, um, more restrictions on top of the zoning. So if or wetlands, that's what I'm looking for. Bad soil. I'll go back and look at the history of the entire property. Has it ever been entitled? If it's ever been entitled, that means they've done some of the work for me. If it's never been entitled, then I know I got to engage my civil engineer or my geotech to go test the soil.